It's important to keep your address information up to date with the DMV. So when we need to send you important information, like your driver's license, identification card, and vehicle or boat registration notices, they get to the correct address. You can change your address with the DMV online. To get started, you'll need to log into your MyDMV account or create one. Once you've done that, you're ready to change your address. You need to be aware that you'll need to change your address for both your driver's license and vehicle or vessel registration. In other words, you are required to complete 2 individual change of address sections. To change the address for your driver's license, click the Start Address Change button on the left side of the page. Then follow the prompts. When you've completed this section, you'll click the Submit button and save and print a copy for your records. Remember, you'll also need to change your address for your vehicle or vessel. To do so, look for the Continue button at the bottom of the page and click it to proceed. You can update your address for as many as 3 vehicles using each vehicle's current registration card. When you've completed this section, review it to ensure the information is accurate. Save and print a copy for your records. Now you'll be able to check the status of your requests 3 days after you've submitted the online change of address information. From the Change of Address page, click Start Address Change and log into your MyDMV account. You can then choose to check the status of a driver's license or identification card or vehicle or vessel. You can view each one by clicking Back to Check Status. It's important to receive a confirmation from the DMV that your address has been changed before renewing or replacing your driver's license or registration, so they'll be mailed to the correct address. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.